Good morning, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Sham Chauhan, BSc second year, batch P2 from RLT College of Science, Akola. I am present here with my PPT on the most important topic, that is ecosystem restoration. So, let us begin. Being the theme of World Environment Day, we must have little bit knowledge about this day. So, World Environment Day celebrations takes place globally on 5th of June every year. The first World Environment Day established in year 1972 by United Nations, but is first celebrated in year 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. In 2021 also World Environment Day celebration takes place hosted by the country Pakistan with a very essential and important theme, that is ecosystem restoration for the decade of 2021 to 2030. Let us see in brief about the ecosystem. Ecosystem consists of living and non-living things with interlink between these through the mineral change, food change and energy flow. Ecosystem consists of mainly two parts: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem consists of forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, and aquatic ecosystem consists of marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. Due to the mineral change, food change, and energy flow, there is a balance between these all creatures and the life is possible. The woman is also a strange character. In greed of more and more development, we have damaged our ecosystem so much that now our existence is also is in danger. So this recover to continuously balance in this ecosystem, and the recoveration of this all damaged ecosystem known as the ecosystem restoration. On the decade of 2021 to 2020, United Nations planned 8 ecosystem restoration plans to recover from damage. In short, we see some causes of this ecosystem damage and its restoration waves. The first is farmland ecosystem. The farmland ecosystem damage occurred due to the overuse of land, soil erosion, excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides. To recover this damage, we must have organic fertilizer, pesticides, and more trees should be grown. Second is forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem damage caused due to more cutting and burning of wood for land resources. For restoration, we must have to plant more and more trees, but keeping in mind only plant those trees which are planted before. So there will be increase in or conversion of uncultivated land into the forest. The third is freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem damage caused due to overfishing, excessive use of water, and its restoration done by treating polluted water, planting insect friendly trees. The fourth is grassland ecosystem. Grassland ecosystem damage due to converting grassland into cultivable land by attacking the other kind of ecosystem species. This damage recover by reseeding the native grass and reintroduce the flora and fauna again. The next is mountain ecosystem. Mountain ecosystem damage caused due to clearing slope of mountains for farms. It is recover by the review over forest and good plans for dams and roads, with this also decrease in the risk of floods and cyclones. The next is marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem damage due to polluting seawater, and it is recovered by doing sustainable fishing and restore sea grasses so that the sea continues to support world's billions of lives. Seventh is peatland ecosystem. The peatland ecosystem damage caused due to eliminating the carbon in peatland. It is recovered by reseeding such places and increasing carbon below the land. The eighth and the our last is urban ecosystem. Urban ecosystem means the cities and the towns. This damage caused due to the sittings, buildings over in town. Recover this recover due to increasing urban parks, green walls, and green roofs. With this, by keeping in mind all these ways to recover our ecosystem, we must follow these tips to increase balance between all creatures of ecosystem. We cannot produce new environment, but we can save the one which we have. So keep planting trees and also keep watering it time to time. With this, happy World Environment Day to all, and thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.